ready to capture stunning moments. In this video, we're showcasing the 5 best Nikon cameras for 2025, featuring cutting-edge technology and exceptional image quality for photographers of all levels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top product picks. Let's get started. Number 5. The Nikon Z52 is an impressive mirrorless camera that builds upon the strengths of its predecessor, the Z50, while introducing several enhancements that make it an even more appealing choice for both amateur and experienced photographers alike. After extensive testing, we found that the Z52 excels in various areas, making it a formidable contender in the compact APS-C camera market. First and foremost, the image quality delivered by the Z52 is outstanding. With a 20.9 MP sensor and Nikon's X-Speed 6 image processor, it captures vibrant colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. The improved low-light performance is particularly noteworthy, allowing for cleaner images at higher ISO settings compared to the previous model. The autofocus system is another highlight of the Z52. With 209 focus points and advanced eye detection capabilities, it locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, whether you're shooting portraits or fast-moving wildlife. This feature significantly enhances the user experience, making it easier to capture those fleeting moments with precision. In terms of usability, the Z52 features a comfortable grip, a tilting touchscreen, and a user-friendly interface that makes it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced controls for seasoned photographers. The compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel and outdoor photography, allowing for easy handling without sacrificing performance. Video enthusiasts will also appreciate the Z52's capabilities, as it offers 4K video recording and various frame rate options. Number 4. The Nikon ZF is a remarkable addition to Nikon's lineup of mirrorless cameras, merging classic design with modern technology to cater to both photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. After extensive testing, it's clear that the ZF excels in multiple areas, making it a standout choice for those seeking a versatile and robust camera. One of the most striking features of the Nikon ZF is its full-frame sensor, which delivers stunning image quality and impressive low-light performance. The dynamic range and color accuracy are exceptional, allowing photographers to capture vivid landscapes and intricate details in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting portraits, wildlife, or street photography, the ZF's 24.5 MP sensor ensures that each shot is sharp and vibrant. The camera's design pays homage to Nikon's rich heritage, featuring a retro aesthetic that many photographers will appreciate. The tactile controls, including dedicated dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, offer a satisfying user experience reminiscent of classic film cameras. This thoughtful layout allows for quick adjustments on the fly, ensuring that you never miss a moment. Autofocus performance is another highlight of the Nikon ZF. With 273 focus points and advanced subject tracking capabilities, including eye detection for both humans and animals, capturing fast-moving subjects is a breeze. The camera's responsiveness and accuracy make it an ideal choice for action shots and candid photography. Number 3. The Nikon Z6 III is a remarkable addition to Nikon's mirrorless lineup, designed for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality imaging performance in a compact body. Building on the successes of its predecessor, the Z6, this camera boasts several enhancements that make it a standout choice for photographers and videographers alike. One of the first things to note about the Z6 III is its impressive 24.5 MP full-frame sensor, which performs exceptionally well in various lighting conditions. The improved low-light capability allows for stunning images with minimal noise, even at higher ISO settings. This feature is particularly beneficial for night photography or shooting in dimly lit environments. In terms of autofocus, the Z6 III has made significant strides. With an advanced hybrid AF system that includes 273 focus points, the camera is adept at tracking moving subjects with precision. Whether you're photographing wildlife or capturing fast-paced action, the Z6 III's autofocus system ensures you won't miss a moment. The camera's video capabilities are equally noteworthy. It supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, delivering crisp and vibrant footage. The inclusion of in-body stabilization further enhances video quality, allowing for smooth, shake-free recordings even when shooting handheld. User experience is another area where the Z6 excels. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold during extended shooting sessions, and the fully articulating touchscreen display provides versatility for composing shots from various angles. Number 2. The Nikon Z8 has emerged as a standout mirrorless camera, combining professional-grade features with impressive performance, all while being more compact than its Z9 sibling. After extensive testing, it's clear that the Z8 is a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. One of the most striking features of the Z8 is its exceptional image quality. With a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, it delivers stunningly detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. The dynamic range is impressive, allowing for rich shadows and highlights that can be easily manipulated in post-processing. The Z8 excels in low-light scenarios, providing clean images with minimal noise thanks to its robust ISO performance. The autofocus system is another highlight. With 493 focus points and advanced subject tracking, the Z8 locks onto subjects with remarkable speed and accuracy, making it ideal for fast-paced shooting situations, such as wildlife or sports photography. The AF feature is particularly effective, ensuring that portraits have sharp focus where it matters most. Video performance is equally impressive, with the Z8 capable of recording 8K video at 30p and 4K at up to 120p. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS, adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing for smooth handheld shooting, whether capturing video or stills. Additionally, the camera offers a range of professional video features, including N-Log and ProRes RAW, appealing to serious filmmakers. Number 1. The Nikon Z9 is a groundbreaking camera that redefines what we can expect from a mirrorless system. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear that Nikon has created a formidable contender in the realm of professional photography and videography. From the moment you pick up the Z9, the robust build quality is evident. It feels solid and well-balanced, which is essential for those long shooting sessions. The camera boasts an impressive 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that captures stunningly detailed images with remarkable dynamic range. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, the Z9 delivers exceptional performance, thanks in part to its advanced image processing capabilities. One of the standout features of the Z9 is its autofocus system. With a staggering 493 autofocus points and the ability to track subjects with incredible precision, this camera excels in fast-paced situations, perfect for wildlife and sports photographers alike. The eye detection AF is particularly impressive, making it easier than ever to achieve sharp focus on your subjects. The Z9 also shines in the video department, offering 8K recording capabilities that allow filmmakers to capture cinematic quality footage. The ability to shoot at high frame rates without compromising image quality is a game-changer for content creators. Plus, the inclusion of in-body stabilization ensures smooth footage, even when you're on the move. The user interface is intuitive and customizable, making it easy to access your most used settings quickly.